Alright, picture this, you're finally getting your finances in order. You've discovered the magic of YNAB, you're budgeting like a boss, and you're feeling that sweet, sweet financial peace. But then, your partner, your roommate, or even your best friend looks at you with those pleading eyes. Can I see how you're doing that? The question hangs in the air. Can you share YNAB with someone? That's what we're diving into today. Because let's be real, managing money together is a game changer, but sharing digital tools can get tricky. You've probably wondered about the technicalities, the privacy concerns, and just the plain old how-to of it all. Now, YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is built on the principle of giving every dollar a job. It's designed to bring clarity and control to your finances. And naturally, when you find something that works, you want to share it. So, let's get straight to the point. Yes, you can share YNAB, but there are a few key considerations. First, let's talk about the practical side. YNAB allows you to have multiple budgets under one subscription. This means you can create separate budgets for yourself and someone else, or you can create a shared budget. This is particularly useful for couples or roommates who need to manage shared expenses. However, it's important to understand that everyone with access to a budget will have full access to all the information within it. That means transaction history, account balances, and all those carefully crafted budget categories. Transparency is key here. If you're not comfortable sharing this level of detail, it's going to be a problem. Now, let's address the privacy elephant in the room. Sharing finances is a deeply personal thing. You need to have a clear understanding and agreement with anyone you're sharing a budget with. This isn't just about the numbers, it's about trust and communication. For couples, sharing an YNAB budget can be incredibly powerful. It fosters open communication about money, helps align financial goals, and creates a sense of teamwork. You can track shared expenses, plan for big purchases, and see exactly where your money is going together. For roommates, a shared budget can simplify splitting bills and tracking shared expenses. It eliminates the awkward who owes who what conversations and keeps everything organized. You can set up categories for shared utilities, groceries, and rent, making it easy to see who's paid what. But here's a crucial tip. Before you dive into sharing, have a conversation. Discuss your financial goals, your spending habits, and your expectations. Set clear guidelines for how the budget will be used and how decisions will be made. This will help prevent misunderstandings and ensure everyone is on the same page. Another point to consider is the learning curve. YNAB has a learning curve, and it might take some time for everyone to get comfortable with the software. Be patient, offer support, and encourage each other. Remember, the goal is to make managing money easier, not more complicated. Ultimately, whether or not you share your YNAB budget depends on your specific situation and your comfort level. If you value transparency, open communication, and shared financial goals, then sharing YNAB can be a valuable tool. But if you're concerned about privacy or you're not ready to share your financial details, then it might be best to keep your budget separate. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.